Division Online Training in EPP TLE. So today po ay mag-prepare tayo ng isang example ng concoction or organic fertilizer. So ito po, fermented plant juice. So what are the different materials in making fermented plant juice? So meron po tayong kangkong. So ito po ay nakukuha lamang somewhere else. Hindi na po siya binibili. So napaka-less po or napakamura lang ng ating expenses sa ating gagawin ngayong umaga. And another is, we have crude sugar or molasses. So 1 kilo of molasses and 3 kilos of kangkong. And another material is eco bag. And next is string. Next, marker. And next is, we have paper. And another material is butcher knife. And another is, we have chopping board. And the last one is, we have pail. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. The first thing that we need to do is the materials. So na-ready na po natin lahat ng mga materials natin. So yung materials po natin ay hinarvest natin early in the morning. So kinuha ko lang po ito malapit sa creek. So hindi na po ito binili. Ang binili na lang po rito ay yung sugar or yung molasses. So 1 kilo po ito. Next step is, we are going to chop the kangkong. Why do we need to chop kangkong? Okay, so para po mas madaling ma-extract yung kanyang juice, kailangan natin i-chop. So ganito lang po, it's very easy. Chop lang po natin very thinly, like this one. Like what I'm doing right now. Chop lang po natin. Okay, so chop lang po natin for easy extraction of juice. So very thinly lang po ang pag-chop natin sa ating kangkong. So ganito lang po yan. Very simple. So kung medyo mas marami po yung production na inyong gagawin at available po ang machine shredder, so pwede din po. Pero dahil konti lang po ang ating gagawin, so pwede na pong manual. Na-chop lang po natin. Then yung na-chop po natin, ilalagay natin sa pail. Okay, so ilalagay lang po natin yung mga na-chop nating materials or yung kangkong sa isang container or pail hanggang matapos po natin i-chop lahat yung 3 kilos. Chop lang po hanggang matapos. Okay, so malapit na po nating matapos yung pag-chop ng 3 kilos of kangkong. So dito po, kailangan natin talaga ang tiyaga. Kasi pag manual po talaga, medyo matagal. Okay, so tapos na po natin i-chop yung ating kangkong. So ilalagay lang po natin lahat dito sa ating container. So simutin po natin lahat. Yan. Okay, so nakalagay na po lahat yung ating kangkong. Ang next step po ay we're going to combine or mix the molasses, the 1 kilo of crude sugar or molasses into our materials. So, siguraduhin lang po na kapag minix po natin yung molasses dun sa ating kangkong ay ma-mix po thoroughly. So, haluin lang po natin mabuti. Okay, so, just in case po na hindi available ang molasses sa inyong area or sa inyong locality, pwede po kayong gumawa. Pwede po kayong bumili ng sinuklog sa market, then i-caramelize nyo lang po siya or turn into syrup. So, naihalo na po yung ating molasses or crude sugar sa ating kangkong. Make sure that all plant materials are mixed with sugar or molasses. So, mix thoroughly. Mix na po natin yung ating plant materials, which is kangkong and molasses. And then, the next step is, always remember po 3:1 ang ratio natin. 3 kilograms of plant materials. So, you can use kangkong, ipil-ipil, or other plant materials which are abundant in your locality. Okay? The next step that we're going to do is, we will cover this container with cloth or paper. So, bakit po paper or cloth ang dapat natin gamitin to cover this container? Okay, so paper or cloth allow the air to get inside the container. And for the gas that is being produced during the fermentation process to escape. Okay, so let us fix the cover of our container by putting a string around it, like this one. Okay, so na-fix na po natin. Cut po natin yung sobrang string. Okay, so the next step is we will label this container. So ilalagay po natin yung date made and date of harvest. Okay, so we will put first the name. So since it is a fermented plant juice, so ilalagay po natin ay FPJ. Okay, then date made August 2, 2021 and date of harvest is date of harvest August 9, 2021. Okay, so 7 days po ang ating palilipasin, or we will wait for 7 days. 7 days for complete fermentation of our mixture. Okay, so nalagyan na po natin ng cover. Nalagyan na din natin ng date made and date of harvest. So we will store this container in a cool, dry place. So dito po natin i-store yung ating container for 7 days. Making sure that this place is cool and free from mice or insects to avoid contamination.
1 week later.
Hello! Welcome back! So, eto na po yung ating fermented plant juice after 7 days. So, bubuksan na po natin siya and i-extract po natin yung juice for future use na po. So, tara po! Okay, so let's open the container. Wow! Bango! Okay, so eto na po yung ating mixture after 7 days. So, medyo madami-dami po yung juice na na-extract natin mula sa ating mixture. So, ang gagawin lang po natin ay ililift natin yung eco bag. Then, i-extract po natin, i-squeeze natin mabuti hanggang ma-extract po yung remaining juice from the mixture. Remaining mixture na to or itong sapal po na tinatawag, pwede na po natin itong gamiting fertilizer sa ating plants or crops. Okay, so eto na po yung na-extract nating juice mula sa ating mixture. So, ta-transfer po natin siya sa another container for future use. So, gagamit lang po tayo ng funnel. Then, salin lang po natin. Po yung na-collect nating fermented extract from our materials. So, yung kangkong po yung ating ginamit. So, ipipreserve na po natin to for future use. So, kukover lang po natin siya ng tissue para, again, para po magkaroon ng hangin. Kasi po, nag-form siya ng gas, pwede po itong mag-explode or pwede po siyang sumabog. Lagyan lang po natin siya ng tape, then i-store na po natin siya sa cool and shady place. So we are done
in our fermented plant juice.